Hey everyone, I'm back. Today, we're taking on an intense challenge. A LEGO train climbing a vertical slope. Can it make it? Let's find out. First up, let's introduce our first train. The track is 75 centimeters long. Level 1, flat surface. Success! Level 2, 5-degree incline. The train is slowly climbing. It's stalling midway. Almost at the finish line. Made it! Level 3, 10-degree incline. This slope seems a bit tough for it. It's not moving at all. Challenge failed. Now let's switch to a more impressive train. This one's way bigger than the last. Bright red and yellow, super vibrant. Let's go! Oh no, the fiery red train isn't budging either. What's the issue here? Let me try new wheels. This track's also worn out. Time for a new rail. Go! It's slowly climbing up. Steady progress. Success on level 3. Next up, 20-degree incline. It's climbing faster now. Yes, nailed it. This one's tougher, 45 degrees. That's steep. Can it conquer it? Almost there. Amazing. Now comes the 60-degree slope. Oh no, it toppled over. I'll tweak it to make the front lighter. Halfway there. Come on. And success! Ta-da! Bet you didn't see this coming, a full vertical climb. What's gonna happen? I think it needs a propeller to move. Let's go. Oh no, it flipped backward. Time for a new plan. Ditch the propeller, add gripping arms. Let's see if this works. Wow, it's climbing. Super stable. The grips are holding strong. Almost at the top. Absolutely incredible. The ultimate challenge, a 180-degree upside-down climb. Here we go. Moving super steadily. Past the halfway mark. Hooray! Challenge complete. Congrats to our little train.